If you want to make somebody obsessed with you, then this video is for you. Disclaimer, the tips used in this video are very toxic, so only use it on somebody who deserves it because it is guaranteed to work. Tip number 1, never be too available. Act as if you're a busy person, even if you're not. People naturally want things that they can't have, so don't be too needy and jump at the first opportunity you get to hang out with them. Tip number 2, and this is probably the most important one, be inconsistent. Inconsistency will have somebody literally losing their mind over you. One day, act completely interested. And then the next day, just like that, don't talk to them and act like you don't care. They will be constantly chasing the version of you that is interested in them. Tip number 3, be unbothered. Hurt in silence, heal in private. This is all a mind game. And the moment that they realize how much you actually care, you already lost the game. And number 4, have options. If you have backup plans, you will automatically not be as invested in this one person, and that is going to come off to them. They will realize that you do not need them, and that will make them want you even more. Drop a follow for a part 2 on this, and for more advice, of course.